His Excellency the President of Uganda, Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, Right Secretary General Richard Todwong, and the entire member of NRM party. I'm called Gino Tim, a born of Agago district, living in Gulu City. I want to take this opportunity to thank the party for the entire or tirelessly working for the country. I was born during Konzi War, the LRA War. I studied, I married, and did everything during the regime of NRM. NRM party did a lot for this country that no any other party can do it at the moment. And I want to appreciate the President of Uganda together with the cabinets that worked tirelessly to see that we achieve a lot of things in Uganda here. One, there's peace and stability. In Uganda, the president said, even if you're a fool, you can live everywhere in Uganda here. So there is peace. You move knowing that your security is guaranteed. Nothing can happen to you. Despite the fact that we have some minor cases, but I'm very sure that Uganda is peaceful nowadays. Two, there is improved education system. I grew up, I studied during the regime of NRM. The education system is quite improved, and I don't believe there is any other party that can do that for Ugandans. Right now, in northern region, we have a lot of degrees, many. We have a lot of professors coming from northern Uganda. We have a lot of diploma, uncountable one now. We have a lot of diploma in northern Uganda, despite the fact that the cry that the northern youth are having at the moment is that you may study very hard, but there's no job opportunities. We are resorted into doing minor business. Some people are resorted into drinking. That is the only cry that we have to the government. Let's create job opportunity to the youth. That is the biggest challenge that we have in northern Uganda. Another one, we have good roads. When I say good roads, I mean the major roads linking district to district, town to town, cities to cities. These small roads, feeder roads that we have in our districts, if they are not good, it is the work of the LC5, the MP, and the COW. Because annually, the government budget for the roads. Had it been they are working truly, our roads would not be in the condition we are seeing nowadays. But if the government, the regime of NRM that I know, they are doing a lot. Another one is rural electrification. I want to appreciate the government for this. In our villages, if you go right now, people are using electricity deep in the village, but they don't even appreciate. The only bad thing is that our people are ignorant of electricity. They don't know the value of electricity. You might find the wires or poles passing from a home, but they don't even wire their homes. That is a collective responsibility that we need to sensitize our homes and villages to use electricity rather than destroying our environment, as in charcoal and cutting down the trees. So sensitization is needed towards rural electrification. I want also to appreciate the government for hospitality, the hospital that we have in northern Uganda. I want to thank the government that every region have referral hospital. The people letting us down are the doctors in the hospital. They send all the medicine in the hospital, but the people are the one stealing, starting their minor clinics, stealing the drugs that are being sent. all the blames are poured on the party or the regime of Museveni, which is not good. Now, peace and stability, improve education system, good roads, rural electrification, and then hospital, good hospital, referrals. Health centers are there in the villages, and medicine are being sent. The people letting us down are our leaders again. We have heard the government want to come out with a program of coffee planting. Northern Uganda, we have a lot of land. But the land that we have, what we lacked is capital. Our parents, our villagers are growing these minor crops to sustain them just for home consumption. If the government could help with the ox plow, seedling, tractors, so that the large land that we have in northern Uganda should not be put into a grazing land as in Balalo nowadays. If we can equip the farmers that we have in our villages with the seedling, ox plow, tractors, we start farming in large scale, commercial farming, at least we would have something. That is my request to the party president, that is Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, Right Secretary General Todwong. If you people can work on that, would also be good. The good thing, we have our local crops that we are going, as in Simsim, in northern Uganda, we grow in large scale. The only problem that we have is the market. Sometimes the price is high, sometimes the price is low, despite the fact that we are working very hard toward getting something. We have land, yes, but seeing the land dormant, not being used, is the way people are seeing us, and they start invading our land because it is not in use. How can you not put a land on use, then people that want to use it that see it like that? So I want to appreciate the government of Uganda. Last time you came out with cotton planting, we tried that one. Tobacco we also tried, but sometimes the market is the problem. So thank you, the regime of NRM. I'm Gino team, appreciating the entire party of NRM. Thank you.